hello, would you like a cup of tea with me? Here you go. Lovely. Well, you know, I'm going to have a tea party at the Splash Convention from Frog Street. It's what's the date, dear? Oh, it's July 25th through the 27th. And I'm going to be talking about some books that you might know about possums. Like this one. This is my favorite book that I wrote. Oh, no, I didn't write that one. No, I meant this one. Oh, no, I didn't write that one either. My assistant is so fired. Oh, dear, let's see. Yes, I will be talking about this book. Wrong language. Okay, well, then this book, If You Give a Man a Cookie. Let me start reading it to you, shall I? Yes, if you give a man a cookie, what's he going to ask for? Let's see. Oh, if you give a man a cookie, he's going to ask for a glass of milk to go with it. God forbid he should get it himself. Oh, we're going to have so much fun. Well, you know, this tea is kind of... Actually, it could use a little more sweetener, so I know y'all like your sweet tea down there. I can't wait to fly from Los Angeles down to you and meet all you wonderful teachers and educators, and I think we're gonna have a great time. So please register, and maybe I'll sign some books for you. Ta-ta.